Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Today, we're diving into something truly groundbreaking. Imagine a drone that's not only portable and silent, but also packed with advanced technology that could redefine how we fly forever. Meet the DJI Flip, a game-changer that promises to push the boundaries of drone innovation. This isn't just another rumor. It's a compact, futuristic piece of tech designed to solve the problems that drone enthusiasts and professionals have faced for years. Let's explore every aspect of this incredible drone, from its revolutionary features to its potential market impact. The vision behind the DJI Flip. The concept of the DJI Flip stands apart from the company's traditional lineup. While DJI's Mini series excels in portability, the Air series focuses on power and versatility, and the FPV drones bring immersive action to the forefront. The Flip aims to create a new niche. It's designed for urban flyers, indoor pilots, and prosumers who need something ultra-compact, quiet, and versatile. DJI is not just creating another drone. They are pioneering a fresh category that could change how drones are utilized in everyday environments. Compact and portable design. The standout feature of the DJI Flip is its ability to fold its arms seamlessly into the drone body, creating an incredibly compact form factor. This means you can toss it into a backpack and have professional-grade flying power ready to go wherever you are. The folding mechanism is not only practical, but also engineered for durability and ease of use, reducing the risk of wear and tear during repeated usage. Revolutionary propeller design. The DJI Flip incorporates specially designed propellers aimed at reducing noise and enhancing safety. Silent flight is a game-changer for both hobbyists and professionals. Imagine flying in a quiet park, inside a building, or even in a residential neighborhood without the usual loud buzzing that attracts unwanted attention or complaints. The Flip promises smooth, discreet operation, making it perfect for indoor filming, event coverage, or stealthy outdoor missions. Top-loading battery system. Battery swaps on the DJI Flip are a breeze, thanks to a unique top-loading design with side-release buttons. Gone are the days of fiddling with awkward battery slots or risking damage during hasty changes. The system is engineered for speed and efficiency, giving you less downtime and more time in the air. Whether you're shooting a professional video or just capturing some casual footage, every second counts, and the Flip ensures you won't waste any. Unmatched flight time. One of the most impressive features of the DJI Flip is its 40-minute flight time on a single charge. For context, most compact drones struggle to offer 30 minutes of flight. The Flip's extended battery life means fewer interruptions and more opportunities to nail that perfect shot. This extended flight time is a massive advantage for professionals who need to cover larger areas or shoot multiple scenes without constant recharging. Advanced gimbal and camera system. The Flip boasts a 3-axis gimbal, ensuring smooth and cinematic footage in any environment. While the exact specs of the camera haven't been revealed, DJI's reputation suggests we can expect high-resolution capabilities and impressive low-light performance. The gimbal system will provide stabilized, professional-quality shots whether you're flying indoors, outdoors, or in tight spaces. This feature alone could make the Flip a must-have for content creators and filmmakers. OcuSync 4.0 technology. The drone comes equipped with DJI's OcuSync 4.0, offering a range of up to 20 kilometers and a highly stable video feed. This translates to greater freedom in how and where you fly. You can explore larger areas, capture distant landmarks, or simply enjoy a stable connection that ensures you always know what the drone is seeing. This is ideal for urban explorers and adventure seekers who need reliable, long-range control. Advanced obstacle avoidance. Safety and usability are paramount in the DJI Flip. It's rumored to include advanced obstacle avoidance systems, potentially utilizing LiDAR sensors for enhanced precision. This feature will make navigating tight spaces, indoor environments, or low-light areas almost effortless. Imagine flying through a warehouse, gym, or even a living room without worrying about collisions. This could make the Flip an indispensable tool for real estate videographers, indoor event planners, or even amateur pilots looking to safely practice their skills. Urban and indoor flying revolution. Why did DJI create the Flip? To fill a gap that even the Mini and Air series couldn't. The Flip caters to urban flyers who require a compact, quiet, and reliable drone for environments that are typically challenging for traditional drones. Whether you're filming indoors in a busy urban area or capturing dynamic shots in tight spaces, The Flip is designed to excel where other drones fall short. Potential Mini 5 replacement or new market niche. There's speculation about whether the DJI Flip will replace the rumored Mini 5. However, it's more likely that the Flip will carve out its niche. The Mini series is focused on portability, and while the Flip shares that attribute, its unique design and advanced features position it as a more specialized tool. It's not just a new drone, but a new way of thinking about drones. For urban explorers, indoor pilots, and professionals, the Flip could be the perfect solution. Versatility for multiple users. The DJI Flip is not limited to one type of user. Beginners will benefit from its advanced safety features and ease of use. Professionals will appreciate the power, stability, and portability that make it a portable powerhouse. For casual users, the Flip offers a fun, user-friendly experience with enough advanced features to grow into more serious drone piloting. Its intuitive controls and advanced stabilization make it accessible, yet challenging enough to keep enthusiasts engaged. Release date and price. According to industry insiders, the DJI Flip is expected to launch in January 2025. The pricing is anticipated to fall in the mid-range category, positioned between the Mini and Air series. This could make it accessible to a broader audience while still offering high-end features that appeal to professionals. The release timing suggests that DJI is aiming to start the year strong, capturing the attention of both casual and professional drone users. Community reactions and speculation. The drone community is divided on the Flip. Some see it as a game-changer that will redefine urban and indoor flying, while others question whether its design and features are enough to make it a mainstream success. The conversation is heated, with enthusiasts debating everything from the compact design to the advanced safety features. However, one thing is clear: the DJI Flip is generating buzz, and anticipation is high. Final thoughts. The DJI Flip is more than just a new addition to the DJI lineup. It represents a shift in how drones are used and perceived. Its compact, quiet design, advanced gimbal, and long flight time address problems that have long frustrated drone pilots. Whether you're a professional videographer, a casual enthusiast, or an urban explorer, the Flip promises to offer something unique. The big question remains: is the DJI Flip the beginning of a new drone revolution, or is it a niche experiment that may not take off? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Are you excited about the DJI Flip, or are you waiting for something more traditional? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.